Welcome back to my channel. There is a lot of good news outside for the IT professionals for entry level positions nowadays. Today I would like to talk about this fresher hiring and walk-in drives. So I was going through this website careerforfreshers.com and I see a lot of walk-in drive for the Tata projects from July 1st to July 2nd. And there is a Infosys walk-ins on the 28th June and 29th June, and there is a fresher walk-ins for the PWC to the 0 to 7 years of experience level, and there also a Hcl walk-in drive 28th and 29th June. Apart from that, there is another columns here. Morgan Stanley has some openings, TCS has some openings, and other openings also there with the DHL and all. Please validate carefully before applying these things. I'm not sure whether these are genuine or not. Please verify that before applying it. And there is also Infosys, there is a 40K salary for the working from home freshers required for the 2024. Okay, please validate this site also if you are looking for the job. Yeah, there is a huge news from the TCS recent days. There is a 1,60,000 plus jobs available in the market across 2,400 corporates, which includes 23 plus industries, IT roles and non-IT roles. Salary up to 19 lakhs per annum. To make these jobs available, you need to attend for the TCS non-qualified test. Last date to apply for this test is the 4th July. This test will be conducted on the 15th July of 2023. Once test is attempted, you will be shared scorecard from the TCS NQT. And the steps to attempt this NQT test is, so step 1, you need to apply in the NQT and appear for the test, get your scorecard. Based on the scorecard and the minimum level of scoring you get, you are eligible for the applying in the jobs on the TCS website or other corporate websites which is listed. Okay, also these are the listed companies which will consider this NQT test as standard for TCS, Tata, Emphasis, Tata and Vedantu and Persistent and many more. These are the only few tests listed over here. Many more is there. So eligibility criteria to attempt this test is, so you could be any degree with a pre-final or final year student or student passing between 2018 to 2024, also working professional with up to 0 years of experience. All these uh, professionals are eligible to attempt this NQT test. Once you attempted the test, you will get what do you get means the scorecard you will get. Here is the sample scorecard, you will get it from TCS NQT. It will given all the criteria, numerical ability, verbal ability, for reasoning and total marks. Also you can be tested what are the jobs available from here. So there is job search available from the TCS Ion. This is strategic site from the TCS. So you can check all the available jobs based on the NQT test. You can apply from here. Also, so there is a three categories within the NQT. One is that NQT cognitive. So for entry level for IT and non-IT jobs, you can choose this cognitive criteria. So for this 600 rupees is the fee. For NQT IT, so this will be salary range is from the 3 lakhs to 18 lakhs per annum, and the fee of this one is the 1000 rupees. There is some benefits also, extra benefits like some mock tests and free courses, many more is available for that as well. And there is a third category for the bank professionals and financial professional. The salary range from the 2.5 lakhs to 11 lakhs per annum is the another category you can choose for the NQT BFSI. The fee details are 1000 rupees for that as well. So these are the few persons, few employees already got this NQT test, and based on that they got the interviews and selected in the some companies. You can check the testimonials for this people who are here. there is a plenty of people, you can verify that. So from this is the TCS NQT schedule. I think 2022 it has happened only one time in a year. 21 it is four times. 22 is four times, but 23 seems to be it is happening for five times. It's already two attempts are schedules are done. Maybe next one is the July. After that September and November. So still every year it will happen. It is not the last time. Careful. And this is the TCS exam pattern. So total questions is 100 MCQs, total marks for 400, and minimum qualifying score is 200. Usually 50% they will take. Time is 2 hours. There is a three categories. One is cognitive ability is a 50 questions, psychometric profile 25, industry awareness 25 questions. There is a negative marking also available. If you attempt that particular question, there is a 0.25 marks will be reduced from your total score for each wrong answer. And these are the a few things, right? Cognitive ability means you will get problem solving, verbal and numerical reasoning skills. Psychometric will get the personal traits such as your ability to work independently and as a part of a team. So, and the last one is industry awareness, knowledge of IT and industry, such as different types of IT jobs and latest technologies, how you are up to date with the technology. Such things will be there as a part of this syllabus. Okay. So these are the some benefits by attempting a TCS NQT. So help you assess your skills and knowledge in variety of areas. Give you a competitive edge when applying for jobs in IT. Help you learn more about IT industry, and you will build your network with the IT professionals. Apart from that, there is some scams also will be there. Please be careful while applying this one. Go to the only TCS Ions website and apply. There is no other partner for the TCS Ion. So please careful that. Don't provide any personal information. I wanted to cover a few FAQs, which is very important. There is a lot of FAQs, but I wanted to cover only important ones here. So, do I need to apply separately on the corporate portal for recruitment? Yes, TCS ION is the exam conducting organization for TCS NQT. TCS ION will be publish the TCS score to the candidate. TCS NQT score is validated across multiple participating companies, corporates. So you need to log into their particular corporates and you need to attempt it. So it's not a job guarantee thing here. So please be remember. And the next important one is I have appeared for the previous TCS NQT Cognitive. Can I appear the same variant again to score better score? Yes, you can apply. Only thing you need to repurchase it. You can apply for multiple times, but each time you need to buy it. So please be remember that. So the other one is the what are the different modes of assessment available. So this is only in person. You need to log into the TCS ION centers across the pan India. You need to attempt this one. It is not a virtual exam. You can apply. You can apply virtually, but you have to attempt the test in person. So please be remember that before applying it. And other important thing is there any cutoff score for percentage to pass the TCS NQT? There is no pass and fail. They will be arranged the score and they will share it with you, but there is no pass and fail. There may be, but companies will look what is the minimum cutoff date, but NQT won't